Hello everyone, my name is Sakhira and my roll number is 2410994874. And right now I am demonstrating my task 8.1D from front end 31 SIT 313. So in this I will demonstrate my full stack web platform that I have built using the React for the front end, and I have used the Firebase Firestore as the database, whereas Firebase authentication for the user login. So this project is designed for the learning, blogging, and question discussion platform, in which a user can log in, post article, and ask their question, and as well as browse content shared by the other users. So the main purpose of this application is to motivate the knowledge sharing and community. So this is my project folder and the main setup. Let me begin by showing the project structure. As you can see here inside my src, I have made a component, different component and pages. For example, article.jsx, login, navbar, and question.js, and all the other files. And I have also have my Firebase configuration file, which will connect this React app or this project to the Firebase services. So in my Firebase.jsx, the heart of that is the like. So in this, we will start from the app.jsx file. So it is the basic main file of my project where all the routes are set up, and this file will set up all the routes for the navigation using the React router. As you can see here, I've used imported a library. So in this I have given all the path names, and inside my app.jsx I have import all the pages, and then I have used the browser router and routes and route all for all. So these will help the user move between different sections of the platform without refreshing the page. For example, the article will open the article posting page, find question will show the list of the question that have been uploaded by the user, and after that we will go to our firebase.jsx file. So on this page I have used I will collect the user email and password using the use state. So no like where it would. So this is my firebase.jsx file, and I have imported these libraries. Like, it will initialize my app, and these are my configuration which I have got from the Firebase application or web page, and this is I have used the Firestore database. So after this we will go to our login page. We will start. So on this page I will collect the user email and password using the use state, and I also use the React router DOM, as you can see here. And here, then on this page I will collect the user. Then when the user clicks on login, it will call the Firebase authentication function and sign up with email and password. If the login is successful, the user is authenticate, and if not, then it's not. So if the login fails, it will show a error message user. Then we will go to our navbar.jsx file. So in this navbar it will appears on every page, and it will include the links like home, about, ask question, or you can see here find question and post article and login logout function. So in this I have used a link from the React router, so user can switch screens without page reloads. So it's a single page application as I am using the React, and I have also used the use location to highlight the currently active pages, and all the things are being styled in the tailwind.css file. After that we will go to our about.jsx file. It is a static informational page, and it will explain about the platform as what it gives and how it will help the other users. So after that we will go to our next main file, article.jsx. This page will allows a logged in user to post an article. So this form will include some of the fields such as title, abstract, summary, or tags, or he can upload, or the user can upload the image also. So in this I have used the use state to store all the form values while the user types. So when the user uploads the image, when the user uploads the image, it will convert that image into a base 64 format using the file reader. This will make it easy to save inside Firestore without needing cloud storage, as we are not using the Firestore for storage, Firebase storage, or any other third application like Cloudinary or anything for storing. So when the user clicks submit, it will needs to validate the inputs. Then the Firebase add doc to save the article into post collection, and after that I will show you the Firebase application. And I have also stored the timestamp using the server timestamp. So once the submission is successful, the form will clears and success message or alert will be shown. So after that we will go to our question.jsx file. So this is very similar to same article.js file. Here the user can ask question by entering question title, description and tags, and I have given a limit like up to 3 tags they can write. So again here I have used the use state to manage the input and split tags by commas. So in this I have validated the inputs. If the fields are empty or tags exceed limits, the user will get a simple warning by alert. And then after the submission button, it will store the question into Firestore collection known as questions along with the timestamp. So after that we will go to find question.jsx file, and here the main thing is the most dynamic part of a project is this, like it will fetch all the question from the file store in the real time using the on snapshot. And this means whenever a question is added or deleted, the UI updates instantly, no refresh required. So when a user will write a question in the my question.jsx form, it will directly go into Firebase, and my find question.jsx will directly fetch all those things in my real website. So I sorted the question by the time using order by timestamp or description, or we can use the filter option also. On this page, I have also like filter option, like we can search questions by the keyword, filter by tags or filter by date, and this filter runs instantly on the user side for a smooth experience. After that we have a file expandcard.jsx, and this file will show each question inside a card in a particular card layout. So by default only the title is shown, so when the user is interested in that question he can click on the card and it will expand and will show the all the questions with details. So this all has been done again by the use state. As you can see here, use state earlier expanded I have used. So in this card I have also added a delete button. So when a user clicked it, it will call the Firebase delete doc to delete the question from the Firebase. So this is a very simple user management option inside the app. So after in this I have used all the React.js, Router, Firebase authentication, Firestore, and the stuff for styling. I have used the Tailwind.css, and I have used some of the React hooks such as use state, use effect, for state and lifestyle, as well as for the photos uploadation. I have used the file reader which will convert the image into base64 script or a string. And for the live updation I have used the on snapshot. So after that I will show you the working of my project. As you can see here, this is my website. If you write something, what is your name, given by parents, or any question if you want, and any tag, and if you post this question you have got the alert message, and this question will go to the Firebase and this file will fetch this question. as you can see here, name given by parents, and you can also delete it simply. In the same article.jsx file, you can like hello, and you can upload simple image here, and you can see the preview. And when you post this image, it says simply alert message and will be shown under the article.jsx, you can see here. So this is my simple login page and about page. So this was my task of 8.1.